in the process of building an R34 GTR with all R35 GTR running gear and interior. So the game plan is to cut the body off of the R34 GTR and then cut the body off this R35 GTR and then put the R34 on top of the R35, sew it up at the seams, throw a wide body kit on the R34 and enjoy the hell out of it. Before we get down to it, I want to take a second out to thank our sponsor. Today's episode is sponsored by ShipStation. ShipStation is the leading web-based shipping and order management software that's designed to make retailers exceptionally efficient at processing, shipping, and fulfilling e-commerce orders. We just made it a new year, and the end of last year, rush was a pain. Between shipping delays and high shipping rates, it's now time in the new year to get your shipping on track. And the best way to do that is to switch to ShipStation, which can handle it all seamlessly. I mean, why would you use anything other than ShipStation? It is the most convenient and easy way to ship for e-commerce sellers. You can import orders from any sales channel, you can ship using any carrier with really discounted rates, and you can automate just about any shipping task. I know when I had to ship giant batches of merch out, the automation process on ShipStation saved me tons of time. When we have new merch products come out, we get a ton of orders all at once. Without something like ShipStation, it would be impossible to manage. And I think that's my favorite part of ShipStation is their all-in-one dashboard that helps me easily manage every single order that I've got going on. With ShipStation, you can funnel all of your different orders into that one dashboard I was talking about, no matter where you're selling from. So it could be Amazon, it could be Etsy, it could be your own website, all comes into that one dashboard to help save time. And it helps you save a lot of money. You can compare different shipping options from different carriers so you make sure you get the best rate every time. And with ShipStation, your small business gets the same discounts for the shipping carriers as they do the big Fortune 500 companies as well. So you get better rates. And ShipStation just helps you save your sanity. You can see everything in that one dashboard, know that everything's going on, you know that you're getting the best rate. It's no wonder that 98% of the companies that use ShipStation for a year continue to use it for the entirety of the lifespan of their business. It's that good. So ship more in less time. Just go to shipstation.com/B-is-for-build and you will get a 60-day free trial. The link is going to be here on the screen and at the top of the description. Again, that's shipstation.com/B-is-for-build. That's 2 months free of no hassle, stress-free shipping. Shipstation.com/B-is-for-build. Get after it, guys. All right, let's get to it.